Okay, the next step is to create or modify your links, also known as a blog roll. So let's go do that. Click on your links hyperlink right here and click on all links. By default, WordPress installs or adds on these links that are kind of self-serving, meaning they don't do you any good. So click this box so that all of these are checked and then delete them all. Once you're done with that, we can add some new links. Now these are links, these are outbound links that may go to partner websites or reference websites or affiliate websites or what have you. I will show you how to add a link. So click on Add New. Click on the name for your link. This is going to be the text that appears as a hyperlink in your blog roll. So we're just going to call this one Google, and then we're going to type in the full URL like that. You can put a description in, and then you add it to your blog roll. You can add a new category. Let's do that, and we'll call this search engines, like that. And then I always have my outbound links open in a new window or tab. So click the radio button blank. You don't really need to pay attention to most of this stuff down here. And then click Add Link. Now let's go see if that link got added. It did. Okay. Let's go take a look at the links on your site. You're going to notice that you don't see them. What you need to do, and this is going to be shown to you more in depth on a following video, but you actually have to add your blog roll to a widget and your widget to your sidebar. So click on Appearance, go to Widgets, click on the primary sidebar, and all you do is drag your links over here, and you can choose whether to show all links or just links from your category A or category B. For now, we'll just choose category B. And then I never choose search link image or show link image, just show the link name. Don't need a description or a rating. Click Save. Let's go back to the site, reload that tab, and you see there it lists your blog roll under its category and with the link. You'll notice that when I click on this link, it opens a new tab. Alright, so let's add another link just to show you how this might work. So we're going to say Bing, and we're going to say Bing.com, Bing search engine, and then we're going to put that under search engines, blank, add link, reload the tab, and there you go. Bing opens in its own tab as well. Now let's go back to that widget and tell it to show all links. Hit save. Go back to your add new links, and let's type in something else like Wikipedia. And we're going to just add that to blog roll. Or actually, you know what? Better yet, let's add another category, and let's call this reference. Click on Add. I want to show you how this works. Blank, add link, reload the tab, and see how the categories all get parsed out. So whatever's in my blog roll category, whatever's in my reference category, and whatever's in my search engine category. Now notice that Google's listed twice. That's because we listed it with two blog roll categories, blog roll in search engines. Does that make sense? All right. We'll move on to the next video, and that's pages.